All right, I'm at the Sleep Inn Suites. Everybody's friendly. There's kind of a snafu with the room. They're actually cleaning the all the AC, so they're taking them out, cleaning them, putting them back in. Right hand wasn't talking to the left hand, so it literally waited for 2.5 hours for a room to get done. And finally, I went up there and they said, "That's almost ready." I saw 3 other people check in and got rooms, and they asked if they had rooms. So I finally went up and I told them, I want a room or my money back. Well, they found me a room. So I got to the room, it wasn't working. And they kept on saying, "Well, they just worked on it. It'll take a while to get cold." "No, it's 91 in here." I said, "That's not right. It'll take some time." And the manager kept on saying he'll come out and talk to me. Not once did the manager come talk to me. That's what pisses me off. I'm hoping this is a snafu with these people. I'm really, really hoping it is, because it seems like a good place. But the guy's working on these. I talked to him and he says, "Well, that's not right." So he talked. There was a wire crossed. That was it. So at no time were they talking to the contractors that I was waiting for a room. So kind of torqued off right now at them here. So that's, yeah. But let's check the room out. Sink is here. Nice big long sink. That's nice. Shower. That one there looks like should be decent pressure. Lots of room. It's up high. Got a mirror. Closet. First time I've ever stayed at one of these. So it's kind of nice big bed. Nice big desk. These are going to have the input switch. Yep, input switch. So that should be pretty easy to switch. Or I'm not going to hook it up because I'm going to bed. But they have a sitting room too in here. Go back to seats. They got here. It's just a little sitting room. It's kind of nice. So you can just get away if you need to. So, or put a kid in there, because that's also folds out to a bed. So that's it. I'll give you a review later. Final review. All right, here's the weight room. A little one here. But they got 3 things you'd need if you're here for a little bit. And I won't be there for breakfast because I'm leaving too early. But they do have breakfast. Here's the lobby and the food. They do got a printer here. Here's where breakfast would be. Front door in the lobby right there. Final review here. Everything's good. The whole thing about checking in, there. So soup was good. Shower was good. No issues there. Good water pressure. Pillows, the firm type, which I liked. Some people don't. I do. Bed was nice. No issues across the board. TV, I didn't hook it up, but you could hook it up real easy. It did take a while for the room to cool down, since they had to fix the AC up here. But other than that, it was good. If you can get past the whole check-in debacle, it's a pretty good place. So that's it. Everybody have a good day. Bye. One last look at the room here.